Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video. We're gonna see what happened for NASDAQ today and what it might happen next. Be careful, we are moving toward the downside as we saw in the live stream today in the morning where we analyzed NASDAQ, SPX, Tesla and Nvidia. You can go back for this live stream. We saw in most of the case scenario that this is a three-wave corrective toward the upside. We might see continuation toward the downside soon or later. However, of course, we have reached somehow the 1.27 fib level taken from this wave 1, 2 in case it is impulsive. However, you don't want to see the price coming back to this yellow line here, which is an invalidation for any kind of impulse wave. On the 1 hour chart, we can see that, of course, that this is unfolding kind of like an impulse toward the downside. We saw here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse exactly as a 1, 2 again, and potentially you're moving continuously toward the downside. If we go on the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, that the formation of a 1, 2 has been given again, 1, 2, 3, and you're looking for lower, and we are very, very close to the invalidation, meaning this might turn, of course, into a corrective wave as the three waves up, and you're still looking for one more low toward the downside as a first scenario. The second scenario might be that you have finished three waves up here, you're looking for three waves down again, and then one more move toward the upside as a wave C. So we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna unfold with this area. However, as I mentioned today in the live stream, we are not yet sure and confirmed for a bullish market, and I cannot, of course, say that we are ready to move for higher. Don't forget the recession signal at 15K900. If it is taken, that would be, of course, a recession signal here. And of course, coming back to the blue zone is a higher risk, of course, for a recession again, and to take the low one more time. And if we take the recession, we don't want to forget as well that this might unfold a bigger scenario, meaning you will invalidate this impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And because your wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with your zone 1, this will be invalidated. It will be transforming into 3 corrective waves toward the upside and looking for even lower, which is a destroyer for the US market. In case this happens, guys, if we take, of course, this price action, we have to expect, of course, a very low prices hitting the market and potentially to take the low, potentially to finish in a running flat, big running flat, of course, or the big W, X, and a Y. But that is not looking good, guys. If we take this is not looking good. And as I mentioned as well in the live stream, we would like to hear some good news, some effective news, and something that ends up this trade war, because obviously this is not healthy for the market at all, or for any other market as well. It's not about the US market only, it is for all the global markets. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.